In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pabbly, connect to Trello, create cards from new leads. By the end, every new lead you capture will automatically become a Trello card, so nothing slips through the cracks. Start by opening Pabbly Connect and creating a new workflow. Give it a clear name, like Create Trello Card from New Leads, so you can find it easily later. This takes you into the workflow builder, where you'll set a trigger on the left and an action on the right. Think of the trigger as what starts the automation and the action as what happens next. For the trigger, choose where your leads originate. This could be Facebook lead ads, Google Forms, Typeform, or a webhook if your tool sends data that way. In Pabbly, select the trigger app, then pick the matching event, such as New Lead or New Form Response. Connect your account when prompted and authorize access. Now run a quick test so Pabbly can capture sample data. Submit a test lead or use your app's built-in testing option and wait for Pabbly to pull in a snapshot of fields like name and contact details. This sample is what you'll use to map fields later, so it's important that it looks representative. Next, add your action. Click the plus button under the trigger, search for Trello, and choose Create Card as the action event. That tells Pabbly to add a Trello card every time a new lead arrives. Connect your Trello account by clicking Connect, or Add New Connection in the Trello step. You'll be prompted for your Trello details, such as username, an API key, and a token. Enter your own credentials securely and proceed. Once connected, choose the board where you want cards to appear, then pick the specific list, like new leads, to-do, or sales prospects. Make sure that list already exists in Trello so it shows up in the drop-down. Now map your fields. Use the trigger data to set the card name to the lead's name or a helpful combination like name plus source. Add key details, such as contact information and notes, into the card description. If your trigger provides them, you can also map labels, due dates, or campaign info. Keep your formatting consistent so teammates can skim cards quickly. Finally, click Save and Send Test Request. Pabbly will create a test card in the selected Trello list. Check Trello to confirm the card shows the right board, list, and field values. If something looks off, adjust the mapping and test again. Once it looks good, your automation is ready, and every new lead will create a Trello card automatically.